दोस्तों, welcome to Bansal Biology. In this video, I would like to cover the topic on different biomes in the world. In 12th NCERT, you must have seen this graph showing annual precipitation in biome. This topic is important for different competitive examination. The first biome that you will learn in this video is desert. By viewing desert, it may look like it is a wasteland, but it covers over 1/5 of the total world's lands, and 1/6 of the total human population lives in desert area. It is in fact found in every continent, like Death Valley in USA, Atacama Desert, South America, Sahara in Africa, Thar in Rajasthan, India, Gobi in China, and Great Victoria in Australia. Deserts are not only hot, but there are cold deserts too, like Ladakh in India and Gobi in China and Mongolia. Here, the temperature varies from -2 degrees Celsius in winter to 24 degrees Celsius in summer. The hot deserts are found in Thar, that is in Rajasthan, India, and Sahara, that is the largest hot desert in the world, located in Africa. Desert receives less than 10 inches or 25 centimeters of rain per year. Desert plants have to conserve water to meet the water scarcity in desert, like cactus. Desert animals have also adapted to desert conditions. For example, camel can store water and fat in its hump, so can live without water and food for many days. So this was about the desert biome. The next biome about which we are going to learn in this video is grasslands. Trees are almost absent in this biome. Grasslands are found in USA, Canada, South America, South Africa, Russia, and Australia. There are mainly two types of grassland found in the world. The first one is the temperate grassland and the second one is the tropical grassland. The difference between the temperate and tropical grassland is that the temperate grasses are short, soft, juicy, and nutritive. Its soil is very fertile and support agriculture, while the tropical grasslands soil is not very fertile, do not support agriculture, and the grasses is too tall. Rainfall in grasslands is short for forming forest and more than the amount to induce desert formation. Rainfall in grassland varies from 25 cm to 75 cm. Plus here the summer is hot and the winter is cold. Fauna found here are deer, elk, bison and bear. Now the biome is tundra. It is of two types, Arctic tundra and alpine tundra. Let's first learn about the Arctic tundra. This is located in North America, Europe, Asia. It occurs only in the Arctic region, therefore it is called as Arctic tundra. Rainfall in tundra is very little, that is around 25 cm per year. The climate here is extremely cold in winter, that is -30 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius. Summer here is short, that is 45 days to 75 days. Highest summer temperature is less than 10 degrees Celsius. Vegetation in tundra is thin. Flora include lichens, mosses. Fauna in tundra includes mammals having a thick layer of insulating fat below the skin and hairy skin. Example, polar bear, Arctic fox. Birds here have feathers for protecting coverings. Example, snow owl and snowbird. The second tundra is alpine tundra. These are located in the highest altitude that occurs near the top of the high mountains. Located in Asia, especially in Himalaya in India, South America and Europe. Alpine tundra is treeless region and lie above the timberline. The flora is lichens, mosses, grasses, herbs and small shrubs. Fauna found in this region are snow leopard, yak, snow bear. Next biome to learn about is coniferous forest. It is located in the north just below the tundra. found in North America, Europe, Asia. Precipitation in coniferous forest is moderate. It occurs both as rain and as snow. Winters are quite long, chilly and dark. Summer are pleasant with average temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius. The growing season here is for about 150 days. Life is fairly rich in this biome. The dominant vegetation here is evergreen conifers that can tolerate wide fluctuation of temperature. Flora include pine, cedar, and hemlock. Animal community of this biome includes deers, squirrels, elk. So this was about coniferous forest. The next biome to learn about is beautiful temperate forest. This is located in Canada, eastern USA, north central Europe, eastern Asia, New Zealand and eastern Australia. The area have warm summer and moderately cold winter. Precipitation is between 75 cm to 150 cm. The beautiful thing about this biome is you can experience all the 4 seasons in this biome. In autumn, the leaves color changes. In winter, the trees shed their leaves. New leaves are produced during spring. Flora have include oak, maple, poplars. Fauna include black bear, raccoon, fox, salamander and frog. This was about temperate deciduous forest. Next biome is tropical rainforest. This forest is thick and almost impenetrable. Mainly found in South America, Africa, Southeast Asia including India, in India Western Ghats, Assam and Andaman, and in Australia. Rainfall is generally high here, above than 140 cm per year, usually between 200 to 500 cm per year. May go up to 1000 cm. Therefore, here humidity is good. Due to high amount of rain, large amount of growth of plants is seen here, and that's why this is also called as jungle. The forest occupy 1/12 of the total land of the world. About half of the flora and fauna of the world is found here. The vegetation here shows stratification. Stratification is the grouping of plants in 2 or more well-defined layers depending upon their height, that is tall trees, medium trees and short trees. Epiphytic growth is also seen here due to the rich in humidity. Epiphytes includes orchids, lichens, mosses and ferns. Different fauna are seen here like monkey, elephants, leopards, bats and tree frog. So this was about the thick forest, that is tropical rainforest. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.